They're in the gate. And they're off. And Super Surprise breaks out on top, but Isabel quickly comes through to that one's inside, and they're going to share the lead under the line for the first time. Dream On for that outside post trying to tuck in. Jules and Rome didn't have the best of starts, has moved up to be fourth and on the inside. Daisy Cutter and Legally Bay is the last of them all. Isabel moves into the opening turn, rather restive on that lead, fighting Kendrick Harmoose just a little bit. Super Surprise is prompting from second. They go 1-2, heading for the backstretch. Jules and Rome comes through toward the inside of Dream On. They're together third and fourth, and then it's Daisy Cutter and Legally Bay still at the back. On to the backstretch they go. Composed opening quarter in 24-4. Isabel at even money shows the way up the backstretch run with 5 furlongs to go. Super Surprise continues to track the pace from second. Jules and Rome's under a snug hold, covered up well inside, racing third, only a length and a half behind. Dream On is in the clear fourth past the half-mile pole. 2.5 lengths back. Daisy Cutter's asked to pick it up. Legally Bay still trails. Onto the fire turn they go. Isabel has opened up a little bit more now. Leads by just under a length. With that, Super Surprise is asked to go. And here's Super Surprise coming after Isabel. They match strides round the fire turn, the half and 49 flat. They've left Jules and Rome back in third, angles outside. And then Dream On in fourth at the quarter poles. Super Surprise comes on to take the lead. Isabel's in very tight down inside and is fighting on, though. Super Surprise has a narrow lead with an eighth of a mile to go. Isabel's not backing down. She's still in it. Just a half a length behind, heading for the final 100 yards. Jules and Rome on the outside is third. 16th pole. Now Super Surprise has overpowered Isabel, and Super Surprise will win the Biagio's Rose by just over 2 lengths in the end. Isabel settles for second. Jules and Rome was third. Daisy Cutter a distant fourth.